Hi, my name is Dan Wennerland, president and founder of HuntTheNorth.com. Since 2003, we've been adamantly researching out the top upland bird hunting adventures across North America. In South Dakota, we exclusively endorse Dave Ciani of High Prairie Lodge and Outfitters for his world-class caliber all-wild bird pheasant hunts. In 2006, we named Dave Ciani the HuntTheNorth.com Outfitter of the Year. What we like best about Dave is, first of all, he's just an unbelievable outfitter. He knows these birds inside and out. Dave has hunted these grounds for years and years. He's got thousands and thousands of acres of prime upland bird hunting habitat in South Dakota for his hunters. He has professionally trained pointers and flushers to make sure that you have an opportunity at a full limit of birds every day. And the other thing is Dave has an all-inclusive package with comfortable lodging and home-cooked meals for his hunters. He also offers a combination hunt on the Missouri River for Hungarian partridge, sharp-tailed grouse, and an all-wild bird bobwhite quail hunt. If you're looking for a world-class caliber upland bird hunting adventure in South Dakota, give Dave Ciani a call. Let him know that Dan from HuntTheNorth.com sent you. For more information, check Dave out on the HuntTheNorth.com website under South Dakota Upland Bird Hunting, and check out a bunch of photos here from a couple of Dave's hunts over the last couple seasons.